Hi guys, in today's video I want to show you an experience that happened to me yesterday. Yesterday I came home from work after a very long day, so I went straight to the shower. After I finished showering, I discovered that the whole floor was full of water. All the water I showered with did not go down the drain and went straight up to my floor. So if you are frustrated and don't have luck like me, keep up with this video because I'm going to solve this problem. Just a quick reminder before we jump straight to this video. If you are new to the channel, ICanFixIt is a channel that will help you in any tech issue or handyman issue and will save you a lot of money. So make sure to click the subscribe button to see the next videos. So this is my shower and the drainage of water is going through those two corks. You may only have one, but it doesn't really matter. So I'm going to open the water and show you what happened to me. If you have a different problem and the water does not drain from the first hole of your shower, this video will still be helpful to you because the whole drain system is the same. Now I'm going to zoom in to my first cork. The water is still flowing and in about 3 seconds you will see what happened. Now it's fun and stuff because I know the problem and know it's gonna be there, but imagine after a long shower that I didn't notice that. As you can see here, the water don't drain to the sewer and just going up to my floor. I'm going to stop the water and dry the floor, and the most important thing, put on some gloves. So start by opening the first cork. I'm going to zoom in to get a better look. Guys, please don't forget to put gloves because the whole drain system is very stinky. This is the first split of my drain system. I have here 4 holes. The first one that I'm showing you is the water flow from the shower to the split. The second one, the green one, is just a cork that have no use, and the third one is another cork that have no use. Under the white plastic is where the water is supposed to flow. Of course we have a problem, so the water is not draining out and instead they're going up to the floor. Now you can see a better look that the water is not draining and going to my floor. Don't worry, we are going to fix it in a bit. I'm going to shut the water down because I don't want another flood. So grab your gloves and let's step into the second part. First, we want to check if something's stuck under the white plastic. If not, keep dig a little bit. Make sure to get rid of all the hair, all the dirt you have inside. If you find anything ruined or the first split, please let me know in the comment below what was that and what has blocked your shower. If you have a second split and the first one was empty like mine, we are going to move to the next part. First, let's close the first cork so we know we finished with him. I will move the camera angle to the second cork. Maybe in your house it's a little bit different and they're not so close to each other, so just try to find the second split of your whole drain system. This cork is a little bit tricky. It's stuck very hard on the floor. So in my case, I will need to use some tools. Maybe your cork is already open, so you don't need any tools at all. So I'm going to use here a big flat screwdriver and nice but not heavy hammer. So you want to do it very slowly and very gently because you don't want to break the floor. If you feel like you don't have any confidence to do it, please let me know in the comment below. I will do the best to help you. This is not how to do it, it just takes a lot of patience. After we open the cork, we immediately can see what the problem. Somehow I got here a lot of wipes stuck in. If you found something like that, just pull them out. This will fix the issue. I just want to show you what really happened here. So I opened the water flow again and we can immediately see that the water is not draining out because of those wipes. So I will stop the water and let the water drain and pull the wipes out. I will be very happy to know what happened in your case. Please guys, let me know, and if you like this video, leave the thumbs up. So for the last part, I wanted to show you that the water is flowing smoothly.